Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again, another video. This time not sneaker related, unfortunately, but something that's kind of in the sneaker culture and something that has really pissed me off. Okay, anybody that follows me on Instagram will know that I have the Yeezy Season 1 Sweatpants. Let me see if I can get it to zoom in there. No, we can't get a zoom. There we go. Okay, for anybody that can see that, anybody that can't see that, sorry, size medium. Excuse the name of it, I'm all bunged up with hay fever today, guys. So these pants, normally I wear a large in pants. I always wear Nike Tech fleece pants, my favourite pants on the planet. If I'm not wearing them, I'm usually wearing some cheap, crappy joggers. But either way, Nike Tech fleece, I'm always wearing a large. I always wear large in pants. I'm a big guy, but all my weight's above the waist. So I don't need an XL. L is where it's at. These are oversized, so when I bought these, they'd actually sold out of large as well, so I had no choice but to go for medium. But I thought that would be good because these are oversized. So I purchased the pants, £350 was the RRP on these things. I went for the medium, thinking that maybe they'd be a bit tight on the waist, but they'd still fit right in the legs because they're oversized. No. Anybody that's going to buy these pants, buy 5, 6, 7 or 8 sizes down from what you usually wear, because these are a medium and I cannot for love nor money keep these up when I'm walking around. If I'm walking around the supermarket, if I'm in Tesco, or if I'm walking anywhere long distance, well not even long distance, from my house to my car, which is 50 yards, these fall down. I can't keep them up. I don't know if anybody else has the same problem, but I cannot keep these up. And at 350 quid, you'd think that fucking Kanye West would have put a fucking draw cord in, but no, the cheap bastard decided to leave the fucking draw cord out. I cannot tighten these pants, I cannot keep these pants up, they will not stay up, they are shit, but they're amazing pants. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, which is where this comes in. You got a drawstring, we're gonna draw wire. It's actually a metal coat hanger that I broke, so yeah. And we've got a knife, a craft knife, whatever you guys want to call it. And obviously we have the pants. So what I'm going to attempt to do today is cut these pants and get a draw cord through. I'm going to show you how I do it. Not sure if it's going to work, but we'll give it a go anyway. Okie dokie. So first off, let's get the pants. Let's find the front. So that seam there, that's the front. I'm going to try and keep this all on the inside. On the inside of the seam, it does feel like there is a hollow in where it's been stitched over. So I don't think it's going to be too hard. I think it's just going to be a case of cutting straight in, making sure I don't come out the other side of the pant, and then getting a draw cord through. So first of all, what I'm going to do is where to start. I'm going to go 1 inch at this side, and I'm literally just going to pick away at the fabric until it makes a hole. Like that. So the question is it a hollow in? That is the question, isn't it? And the answer is yes, it is. I can get a draw cord all the way around these pants. So let's make another hole where it comes out. I'm not too worried about whether it's off centre or not. So I've kept it to the inside of the pants, so you can't really see. So for anybody that can't see what I'm doing, literally all I'm doing is sticking the craft knife in, trying to lift it up a bit to make sure that I don't go through to the outside of the pant, and then pulling it up just to get a hole going. There we go. There we go. Cool, so there we have it. 2 holes now made in the inside of the pant. So let me get this craft knife out of the way before I cut my hands off or something. And then it's just a case of trying to feed the coat hanger from one end to the other. And as I say, this is probably going to be the awkward part because the coat hanger is made of metal. And it doesn't bend very well. But we'll see how we get on. Seems to be going through quite well. And I've had these pants ages, guys, and I've only just decided that I was going to do this. I was actually ready for just chucking them in the bin, honestly. I hate it, absolutely hate it when, you know, somebody just decides not to put something like this in. Especially when they make the pants oversized. You know, they must have known that people were going to have these issues. As I say, I'm a large. I'm always a large. I'm a big guy. I'm a big fat guy. You know, and Adidas and Kanye have got me out here in the mediums, which are too big. You know, I should have gone for a small in these, but there's no sizing on the website or anything, so you know, how am I supposed to know that they fit ridiculously big? You know, I know they say oversized, but surely if something says oversized, I would have thought that, you know, going oversized, for example, me going for a medium, would have been enough, but it's not. And I just hope that, you know, if the season 3 launch is the same sort of sizing as this, then they put details of it, you know, on the sites that are selling it to make people aware of this, because otherwise you've got people spending a lot of money on clothes that they can't wear. You know, obviously people don't want to spend £350 on a pair of trousers to keep on a shelf. You know, if you're buying to sell on eBay, that's different, but if you're actually going to buy it to wear, hey, you know what? I've actually got the coat hanger through now. If anybody can you see that? The actual loop now, the waist now is like held. You know what? I might just leave this in and twist the coat hanger together. What do you guys think about that? No? No? Oh, okay. Right, so we get a drawstring, draw cord, whatever you want to call it. All I'm going to do is tape the draw cord on, and then draw it through. Hopefully it will keep this nice and tight. It feels like we've passed one of the hard parts. We're certainly further than we were last time. Past the backs, the middle bit. And the reason I'm not just pulling straight on the coat hanger trying to get it out, guys, is because obviously with it being taped straight on, I don't want the draw cord just to pull straight off of the hanger, because that would be a nightmare. And we're nearly at the end. There we go. So we've now got the loop through at both ends, so I can go ahead again, cut this hanger off. Try and cut through it, be careful not to cut the actual draw cord itself. It's quite difficult to just sort of like right in there, but oh, it's like peeling open a cocoon, guys. So there's the lace anyway. There we go. So yeah, there we go, guys, all done. So we now have a draw cord inside the Yeezy pants. Does it work? Is the next question. And so we shall find out. And the simple straight answer to that, guys, does it work? And the answer is yes, it does. These Yeezy pants aren't falling down anymore. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Keep subscribed, keep hitting that thumbs up button. Really appreciate it. Do apologise that there's no sneaker unboxing footage last week, purely because there wasn't any trainers out last week that I liked. I went for a pair today. I was hoping that I'd get the Nike Air More Up Tempos today. Caught L's online. They are a pair. I had them as a kid, and it's a pair that I was looking forward to. And and the hype beasts have just beat everyone to it again, so I missed out today. However, I've just got dressed, I'm about to head out now. I'm going to go and hit up all my local stores and see if any of them got them in. I don't think they did, but you never know unless you try. So I'm going to go and have a drive around all the places, try and see what's available and see if somebody's got them in available in my size. I'll check in with you guys soon.